Hello guys, and welcome back to my channel, and today I'm going to show you how you can connect a domain in your Wix website. So firstly, just simply go to your browser, then search Wix, then just open the first link and go to your dashboard. Now just simply click over here and then click on go to my site. Now choose whichever site you want to add the domain in, then just simply choose that particular site. Now before moving forward, you will need to have a premium plan for the Wix, because it is necessary for you to have a premium plan, because without the premium plan you won't be able to add your domain. And in current plans you can also get a free domain in Wix. Let me show you. So as you can see right over here, you can get a free domain for 1 year. So just simply get one plan. Then after you have got the premium, just simply go to settings. Then click on domains over here. Now over here you can enter a name and the domain that you might have from some other hosting, or if you want to use the free domain that Wix provides. So for doing that, just simply enter a name. After writing the name, just simply click on let's go. So as you can see, the name is available. Now just simply click on get it. Then just simply click on the first year plan over here, because it is free right now, as you can see right over here. So just simply click that, and as you can see, the value is now 0. Now just simply press continue. Now fill up all the details for the contact info. Now after entering all the contact info, just click on continue. Now over here you will be asked, do you want a private registration or a public registration? If you want the private registration, just simply click continue and pay the certain amount which you are shown into your screen, or just simply choose public registration, which will be free. But make sure in public registration all of your contact info will be public. So I've already informed you. Now after choosing one of these, just simply click continue. Then over here, just simply click on submit purchase. And after that, just simply click on go to my domain. So now as you can see, Wix has sent you an email of a confirmation. So just simply go to your inbox and check for that. So as you can see, it is right over here. So just simply click on that, then click on confirm. Now when you redirect it to the verification page, just simply scroll down and click verify information. Now after the verification process is complete, just simply come back to the Wix dashboard. Then just simply go to your home, and now just simply click on edit site. Now there is error when sometimes site doesn't load with the new domain name. So what you can do is just simply come to the editor and click publish one time. And after doing that, just simply again go back to the site and it should be there. So as you can see over here, this is my new domain. So that's it. And thank you for watching, and do like and subscribe to my channel, and take care.